Hi friends, my name is Pankaj and today I'm gonna take you through the application which is must have in Dubai during this lockdown period. So let's start the videos, and the app name is Instashop. The good thing about the app is it's very user friendly and you can order almost everything from grocery to meat to pet supplies as well as pharmacy on this app. As you can see, once you choose your supermarket, it will show all the supermarkets or even the small grocery store near your location which are available for the delivery. Same thing is for the pharmacies as well as the pet supplies, or even you can order the cakes for special event. Even they have a special section for organic food item. I've tried other online application as well, but I find Instashop to be the most user friendly. It is very easy to navigate through the application and easy to order. The another good thing about Instashop is if you invite your friends to join Instashop and they place their order on that, you get 30 dirham of credit to your account which could be used to pay your bills. And you can use your past order as well to reorder the item, which is easy. And I have been using this application for past 1 year and I really find it very convenient to use. Even you can order by scanning the barcode. If you have an item which you want to reorder, you just need to scan it. If they have it in the store, you can directly order it from there and you can add it to your basket, as you can see in the video. Once you have selected all the item, you can place the order or you can schedule it for the future. The payment could be done either online or by cash on delivery or even by credit card on delivery. And the delivery is fast and you can expect the delivery to be done within 1 hour or maximum 90 minutes if the shop is far away from your location. The shops shown in the Instashop is based on your location. So if you change your location, the shop will also change and it will show you the nearest shops available to order from your location. Once again, thank you very much for watching the video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestion, please do write it in the comment box. See you in my next video.